Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And according to Dr. T, the solar storm forecast is for bands to be booming. Yep, that's what you said. I'm listening here for a second.
So you guys may need to just kind of rest up for the next couple weeks till we get another chance at a decent solar storm. Now, you amateur radio operators, on the other hand, you guys are loving life because we've got a new region that's rotated into Earth view and it's boosted the solar flux so that we're back into marginal conditions for radio propagation. And what's even better is in about a week, we should get yet another region rotating into Earth view that will boost the solar flux even more. This is perfect timing for field day, don't you think? So the bands really may be hopping in about a week or so.
The bands will be hopping, she says. Well, you know, when things are so bad, any little bit of hope is really looked forward to. Anyway, check out her channel. I'm going to come down here. This is her channel name right here. And check out her full forecast. This is just one little tiny segment. And subscribe to her channel. She does this once a week at least. And she has gracefully added reports for amateur radio operators and shortwave listeners, of course. So check it out. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.